Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix OneDrive not syncing Windows 11. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first, go to your desktop, and then you can just click on your OneDrive here at the bottom. Then you can just click on Settings here, the gear icon at the top right, and then you can just click on this drop-down, and then click on Quit OneDrive. Now you can just click on Quit OneDrive again, and then just search for OneDrive here. And then you can just open up your OneDrive, and that usually fixes it. So if that didn't work, you can just close this, and then just click on OneDrive here again at the bottom, and then click on the settings here, or the gear icon again. Then click on Settings. Now here you can just click on Account, and then click on Choose Folders, and make sure that this one is checked, okay? So once that's checked, you can just click on OK, and there you go. So that's it. So that's basically how you can fix OneDrive not syncing Windows 11. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.